Are you scared to invest in real estate? I was too. So we're gonna go over my 3 top concerns before I got into real estate. So make sure you tune in. So my biggest fear was making a bad investment. You work hard, you save up all your money. It might take you a long time to save up enough money to buy your first rental property. So the last thing you want to do is lose money. So to get around that and to move past that, what we did was we educated ourselves. We made sure we read books, we attended meetings, we watched YouTube to be able to learn and have a better understanding of what we was doing. We made sure we practiced. We analyzed potential deals, and multiple times, over and over, we would have alerts come to our phone, and as soon as that alert came to our phone, we would analyze that deal just to practice before we actually buy something. We had a target. We knew what we was aiming for, right? So we knew that we wanted a certain percentage anytime we bought something. We knew what a good investment was. And for us, we was trying to beat the stock market. So the stock market usually returns like 7%. So we wanted at least 10% and up, right? So that was our minimum. If it was at least 10% and up, then hey, it's a potential deal that we might be interested in going after. So my second biggest concern was getting sued or having some type of eviction. So to get over that fear, I went out, I got me a property management book, an audio book, and I listened to that to gain understanding of like what's legal, what's not legal, you know, my do's and my don'ts. And that really helped me throughout my process and made me feel comfortable. When you buy those property management books, most times they come with templates. They already come with documents that you can use and you can modify to suit your needs. I actually found me an attorney. I found somebody who specialized in law. Somebody this is the full-time job. Somebody who could give me guidance and tell me about like what type of LLCs or what type of asset protection I should have to be able to protect myself. My third biggest concern was I didn't know enough about my house. I didn't know enough about paint. I didn't know enough about putting tile down. Just all the stuff that's involved with a house. I wasn't educated on it or had any experience with. So to get around that, I took advantage of free classes. Like Home Depot has classes that you could attend for free, and they will teach you how to put tile down, how to paint, how to do all the random stuff that you will need to do at a house. The second thing is I volunteer at Habitat for Humanity. There's projects where they'll teach you how to put a fence up, they'll teach you how to paint, they'll teach you whatever, right? So you are learning and you are giving to the community at the same time. I also bought a handyman book so I could see what's all involved in somebody actually making a repair, and so I could better communicate with somebody when I'm asking somebody to make a repair, so I could know all the steps that's really involved. So if you want to get started investing in real estate but you do have some concerns, just remember there is a solution. Just gotta find it and implement it. Now if you want to analyze like a pro, make sure you check out this video.